Ken was her father do to her father policeman and him do it.
Video footage shows slaying Daniel Rowe and mystery woman in St. Andrew.
So the stepmother and the father went and pick up the child.
I wonder where some gyal are study round here.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about Daniel Rowe, you know, the 8-year-old child that was slashed. And Lady Sir, Mariana, I see something that go on in the paper, and we're going to talk about that as well. Before we get into all of that though, Deputy Commissioner of Correctional died in strangulation.
It is not really surprising to us because as we reported previously that we did not suspect any foul play in his death.
Why I realize the people them a beat Fitz Bailey, I wonder what am I say? What I mean by that? The cause of death is strangulation, but it's not surprising to you because you did not suspect foul play. Everybody I wonder what the man mean by that. Some people I say a foolish must say, but people need to understand that strangulation does not necessarily mean say somebody physically hold you, squeeze the neck or whatever the case might be. You know, the closure of blood vessel or ear passage to the neck, basically from external force or pressure. This could cause by many things, especially when time the man meet in an accident. And I am not saying here on a foul play though. You know what I mean? We hope them conduct proper investigation. Because how them actually find the body kind of spooky. You know what I mean? Them find him on the passenger side and all of that. And again, that could even explain. Maybe his side a door jam, lock or something, him go down a precipice so anything can go on. Door can squeeze and you can't fly it with the latch, so him crawl up on the other side, who knows? All me I say before, no beat the man, just please research the word strangulation. The problem is, him should at least elaborate some more in her real life. Like, you say a statement like that and the people about wanna like, really brother, what the hell you say? Some people are saying, when him strangle himself or dope it with. Well, the only logical reasoning towards this still is the seat belt. You know what I mean? They remember say them find wire mark around him next. It could be a seat belt. Some trauma to him chest or head. Other than that, this is definitely foul play. That's why when I hear me say earlier, I hope them conduct proper investigation. But now I record what Fitz Bailey say. And that is just my opinion. Who am I to contradict his statement? Talking about proper investigation, this is the kind of case that we need all hands on deck. Yeah man, everybody's supposed to ask about them all and find who is responsible for this little girl death. Daniel Rowe. So police investigator have video footage of slain 8-year-old Daniel Rowe in the company of a female in an area close to where she was found with her throat slashed. A top police official has confirmed. Deputy Police Commissioner Fitz Bailey said that the video quality is poor. He also disclosed that the woman's identity is not yet known. Boy, a long time I said this, A lot of women all over the world are behind many crimes taking place. Trust me. Only for the crime, I want to see people like get dash way. The woman, them know what go on. Them know who do it. In a mind shot, them help carry out the act. Anyways, it is alleged that such a person is in-law. So I'm going to play the video, I'm going to hear what go on. And again, alleged information.
Then I want to post a little girl, something one of my friend comment and Anita and say she and little girl related. She said, Ken was her father do to her father policeman and him do it. So when I him do it, she said the mother and the father left for him. Now man him pick me and something. But the little girl have one brother go Britain too with her. So the stepmother and the father went and pick up the child without the knowledge of the mother. But the brother was telling the little girl not to go, but to her father, them convinced her to go. Next thing on the show, them you say little girl missing. Next thing one little girl was reported taken to children. So when them go a little girl. Apparently, a little boy must tell his mother say, I bet they pick up her in Pitney. Anyway, when them send call him to hospital, him come. But when he realized that she not dead, it's like the expression upon his face, the look on his face. It's like, bombard, she not dead. So cold sweater wash him. From him say, he must step outside, little cause he cold sweater wash him. Nobody see him now here from him again, Bentley gone. Then after you if disappear. Who the one they said that them 8-year-old in that hospital right now? As a father, you'd sleep at children's hospital. You would have sleep there. Yeah. Still one look dirty man.
Alright, while we understand that this is just some voice note going around still, we can reason it out. Zine, so when I try to play detective with us a try to all I meant and understand what I go on. I mean the information we don't respect what I go on in a real life. 8-year-old throat slash Come on, man. Me just build the video and share my thoughts and hope say, yo, again, proper investigation conduct. She say the father do it. The little boy identify who pick up the girl, right? Me still can't wrap my head around why a father would do such a thing in a real life. Me not see how that possible, but then again, human beings are cruel. We see how people have moved since of late for the past 2 years. Jamaica witnessed some gruesome acts. So we not go there and pretend like say, oh, mankind not heartless. Then she say, oh, the man fall at the hospital and cold sweat start to wash him when him find out, say, oh, she not dead and him disappear. One, the man a police and cold sweat no mean say, you know him guilty or something. We have to understand, say, people might travel with that low blood pressure. You know what I mean? And it's surprising. The man might stress out. There's so much thing that could have result to that. So, me not gonna pre him for that. Then she say, oh, the man just disappeared at the hospital and cut. Well, me not get for understand, say, him not have a good relationship with the girl mother. So, you know, all the other family, the member did it. That could be one of the reasons. Or, again, him a police, maybe duty calls. Who knows? But your daughter, that still, you know, kind of look shaky. But me not blame nobody. That's not my duty. Me hope the police them do the right thing. And if I aim them, I go hold him. Yeah, last night me I said this to my girlfriend. I say, you know, say for the policeman, them I go hold him. Man, in a real life. Because most time them criminal only think about the action, you know. And me no know, I wish Raccoon live on that, but for the past year and a half, me no know if I realize say a whole heap of crime myself. I know when I go beat me and say, what you talk about, brother? Crime high, blah, blah, blah. Listen, whole heap of new equipment and persons who are trained overseas. They're in the force right now. The thing turn up on the might not see, but trust me. Remember, man, look how much Dan and big sitting when you see I go on trial. Yeah, judge might have let them go, but and the police problem that. Get what I said, the police job, among responsible for clean up the street, find criminals, you know, protect citizens and ensure say everything goes. So the whole system and network probably is a failed state, but police them are work. And as long as him involved, them are go hold him. Them are go track him and find out. So my thing is how the son identifies say yo at him. He would be the dumbest criminal for them on the scene. So me I rule that out. Now anybody could have pull up in a car and say yo, John Brown send me to pick you up. Remember a little pitney them, you know. Worse if them say familiar face or the car itself. Boy, then say Tom drunk but Tom no fool. That is the brain of a child. So them operate. Don't think so them are idiot to them. Them know what go on, man. Them brain just scramble and them mic and put it together or put everything together, but them know what go on. This case now becomes a public matter. Everybody and them mother talk about it. Every politician you will name it. So my concern is why the police them never release the video. Not because it's blurry. A lot of persons might be able to identify who is she regardless. So, them shouldn't release a video.
Whatever.
Now, ladies, or I should say Mariana, remember she did come out on live and say, yo, she don't want nobody call her ladies, satanic. That was the past and she done with that. Now is Miss Mariana. So, we're going to address her as Mariana. Mariana still on top after 30 plus years. Do you agree? Comment below. Share your thoughts. Do you think Mariana still around dancehall? Yeah, no star. Me I wonder if she confused or you know the star and the gleaner them just a paint a picture. Me don't know what I go on. But me get for understand say she get booked for 2 big show. Reggae some fest are one of them. Now me I wonder if a gospel she go sing. Me not try to judge her thing or bash her, you know. Me don't want to get the thing wrong, you know. But me I wonder if a dancehall music she go put out or a gospel music. This is my thing. While she is indeed one of the baddest or the baddest female to ever grace dancehall music, we cannot pretend that females no surpass our achievement because me see the star and the green list out a bag of accolades, but most of them they really achieve by collaboration. And we not go bash her like whatever, you know, but me I say like she not run the place up to now. Like when I talk about how many I wanna pull up a Marina Lara ladies and play it every day. How many ladies are not really hear a kick down dancer? Like we wanna be realistic, man. You know, we don't talk about Bob Marley, you know. Now Michael Jackson, you know, while someone gonna say yeah, but them did and them run the place, yeah, but nobody not replace them. That's not even talk about. And until someone replace such dominance, then we can talk. So are you saying that Spice not do our thing? Spice not run the place as Spice. I see people that talk about a share, get the ear play them. You know, she and Shensi and the rest of girl them. So me not see how she run the place now. Yo, she bad, she usually run the place. We still listen to her music them. But I feel like she confused and at this Queen Africa did a talk about. She need to just come out clear and say, yo, we're done with gospel. We're done with gospel. A dancehall music me I go back to. Just make up your mind. Stop confuse the people them. Make it other girl them want to them things shine. You step down from the music long time. Yo, me never see artists who step out of music and still a look for cloud. That don't make no sense to me, and that me I talk about. Whole heap of artists out there were currently in the music and them not get booked for some of them show ya. Not saying she's not eligible, you know what I mean? She have the work, she put in the work, track records is there, but me I say our gospel, you do. Make up your mind. And this is no comparison, you know. So somehow not gonna run in for the video with the back on the class mentality, the valiant style, dance business, and feel like yo, we are compared. There's no comparison. In my opinion, my humble opinion, me feel like Lady Saw is still the baddest female artist. You know what I mean? Me even respect Tana Stevens over Spice. That is my opinion. You know what I mean? Me just wish, you know, them did, especially Tana Stevens, they stay a little longer in the music. But someone don't even understand, say, if Tana Stevens and Lady Saw, they just afford the music now, enough of them artists when I run back out. Them wouldn't make no sense, man. Me I tell you, go back and listen to some Tana Stevens. So it's not like me I try to compare the ladies still, you know, but me just say, yo, if you step down, you step down. Make up your mind, man. Make up your mind. Stop confuse the people, them. You know what I mean? The people them out here wonder how I go on if she a forward back. People are say the only queen of dancehall. Not be realistic, man. Be realistic. Because enough people are going like say, them artists are not replaceable. So what I wanna say? Vybz Kartel not replace Beenie Man in terms of quality of work, or the Grammy still stands. I look like a foreign accolades make someone want to view artists. You know. So if a man no get some Grammy and do certain things, nobody no remember them. And enough artists get Grammy, I don't know them, you know. Enough artists win Grammy, I don't know them. See, Chronic Star was still away from Chronic Star. The fact of the matter still, Lady Saw or Miss Maria and all, I just feel like, I don't know, you're existing from the business aren't you? If you love the music so much, man, you shouldn't stay and stop getting yourself so much trouble. We know you are the baddest thing ever graced the beast, you know, as female, but be humble, man. Girl, them time, you know. If you're not a part of the business, I don't see why so much fuss and cuss should even be around fearing him concerning dancehall.